Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is fourth part of video lecture for class 7th, chapter 3. Student, in this part, we will study about working of the government. How government work, how decisions of the government is implemented. Student, yesterday we studied some MLAs had asked questions. In response of these questions concerning ministers and chief ministers have to take action because these are in the power. These chief ministers have power to take action against any problem. Student, just after completing the question hour or just after completing the legislation hour, Chief Minister and Health Minister started responding these questions. They called press conference. Student, before this, we have to know that is Legislative Assembly is the only place where these questions means sanitation problem, safe drinking water, education problem, health problem are discussed? No. You have noticed that these questions are also discussed on TV channels, in newspapers or in public discussion. Means Legislative Assembly is not only a place where these questions are discussed. Opinions are discussed, suggestions are given, action of government is known. These opinions, suggestions and actions of the government can be known or can be given by media, by TV channels, by newspapers. So, after Legislative Assembly is over, Chief Minister as well as Health Minister called a press conference. Here, news reporters from various newspapers, from various television channels gathered and they asked so many questions from Health Minister and Chief Minister. They also asked what action has been taken. Next week, Health Minister and Chief Minister visited Patalpuram. They also visited affected people. They went to the hospital and met the relatives of those persons who had lost their lives due to diarrhea. They also announced compensation amount. Chief Minister thought that this is not only a problem of sanitation, there is also a problem of safe drinking water. So, Chief Minister announced a fund to provide safe drinking water to all its citizens, to all the localities. Dear student, you were thinking that how government work, how decisions taken by the government is implemented. Student, for the implementation of decisions taken by the government, there is various department. For example, education department, health department, public work department, agriculture department, and so on. The matter relating to the department transferred to the that very ministries, and that particular ministry has right to take action. Dear student, despite of these rights, government also has right to make laws. Do you know, Legislative Assembly can make law which is implemented only in the state. Means laws made by Legislative Assembly is applied only within the state. For example, Nitish Kumar, Chief Minister of Bihar, had made the law taking wine is illegal. If anyone is found taking wine or selling wine, they could be imprisoned for 10 years. Then this law is implemented only in Bihar. But if this law is passed in the parliament, that law must be implemented over the country. Means laws made in parliament is applicable in whole country, and laws made in Legislative Assembly is applicated only in what? State. Government also make it compulsory that government also order the municipal corporation that to ensure sufficient toilets in urban areas. He also ordered the municipal corporation to appoint health worker for urban areas as well as village areas. Means sanitation, health, education, agriculture, all the work done by the government. Dear student, in democracy, all of us know very well that people elect MLAs. Ultimately, MLAs elect means majority party elect their chief minister, and this chief minister appoint ministers. These MLAs, ministers, chief ministers are elected by the people. Means I mean to say that this is the people who has highest authority. If people is not satisfied with the work of MLAs, minister, chief minister, he can change the MLA of their constituency after 5 years. So, in afraid of disappointment, in afraid of refusal by the people, in next term, all the MLAs, ministers is bound to work. They have to satisfy their citizen. They have to work according to the wishes of the people. And if people found MLAs, ministers not working according to their wishes, they could replace them in next term. This is very big issue of democracy. This is very big advantage of democracy. Dear student, all of you would be very happy to know that we people have the highest authority. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona. Have a nice day.